Hello Aditi, my question today is how do you do the purchasing? How do you negotiate the price of all the things you purchase during the year?
Hey Jay, that is a great question. We have different procedures for negotiating for various items. If you have some time, I can explain all about it in this video.
Yes, I have the time and I am eager to learn.
Okay, then stick around because in this video, I will tell you all about how I purchase and negotiate for things that we buy for the hotel. But before we begin, in case you are new here, on this channel you will find videos that can help you learn if you are interested in hotels and making a career in one. So do subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button and also click the bell icon beside it so that you will receive notification when new videos are uploaded. On our website clarifiedbetter.com, we have articles and courses that can help you learn in depth and you can get started for free. The link to the website is in the description box below. So to begin, for all items that we want to purchase must get at least 3 quotes from vendors. We will then evaluate them on the basis of quality, service and price. We must make sure that all the specifications are same in the quote so that we can compare the items.
Yes, or else it may be comparing apples to oranges. Why do we need 3 vendors?
We need 3 vendors so that we can get the best possible pricing when purchasing based on our specification. That brings us to the next part. Once we get the quotes, we form a purchase committee where we check the purchase specification, make sure it is acceptable and then negotiate on the price with the vendor. All members of the purchasing committee will then sign off on the negotiated price and I will load the rates in the system. From then on, till the period of the contract we will use the agreed pricing.
How do I know if I am buying at the correct price even then? All 3 vendors may have quoted high price.
Very good question. For that we must also do spot market survey, to make sure that we understand what the pricing is in the market. For items that have an retail price, we will decide on a discount of the maximum retail price. That way even if the price change, we will purchase at a discount.
Nice. Thank you Aditi for taking the time to explain this to me. I am sure you would also have understood how to negotiate and purchase items for the hotel. If you still are on the fence on whether to subscribe or not, just click the red button. You will learn from the videos in this channel for sure. And like we said before, do visit clarifiedbetter.com for more in-depth learning. The link to the website is in the description box below. I will see you in the next video.